Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Edition, and the title of the video is Police Hunt Down Man Who Tried to Abduct Child from Bus Stop. What? Man who tried to abduct child from bus stop. Oh yeah, we got some real weirdos around here, boy. This world is crazy, boy. Let's get into it, man. Damn.
On April 29, 2022, an abduction attempt took place at a bus stop while a 16-year-old girl was waiting to be picked up by the bus to go to school. A surveillance video captured a man parking his vehicle and approaching the girl. He forcibly took her phone and grappled her in an attempt to drag her to his car, while she clung desperately to a nearby fence, resisting his efforts. In an effort to lure her, the man held out her phone, only to throw it at her when he realized she could not be subdued. The girl managed to escape by running onto the bus as the assailant fled in a white Ford Mustang. A witness provided a description of both the vehicle and the suspect, which later led to police locating the car at a gas station a few hours after the incident.
We gotta talk to you. You got an ID on you?
Yeah.
All right. We'll talk to you in a second. Someone's gonna come and talk to you here and explain everything's going on. You got an ID? All right. You put your ID out, my man?
Hey, ID, sir?
Well, someone's gonna come talk to you. Just...
I'm going to jail?
No.
You got your ID on?
Huh? No.
Oh,
You'd be out of the car in handcuffs right now if you were, my man. Are you the owner of the car?
Yes, I am.
You got valid license and stuff?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Just relax, my man. It'll all be... We got to talk to your passenger. All right. It doesn't even involve you. So relax. All right. Someone's going to come up and talk to them.
Oh, so I didn't do anything?
No. He's coming up. He's talking to somebody right now. You can probably see him in your mirror. See him back there? He'll come talk to you 1 second. Your first name? What's your first name? De'Aaron?
Yeah.
De'Aaron Jackson?
I don't know what's going on. I'm just like, I honestly don't either. I would tell you.
Yeah. Yeah, they want us to stop the car so they can talk to. So relax. It's more of a, not you. All right. All right. Here's the driver if you need any. I already got it written down and stuff.
What's up, man? Why don't we get him? Why don't we get them separated?
Hey, De'Aaron, you want to come back and sit in my car and he can talk to you in private?
I'm in trouble?
No. If you're, like I said, my man, if you're in trouble, we already grabbed you out of the car and your car's in park and everything.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna make sure you ain't got no guns on you. Can you face this way? All right. He's gonna come talk to you. He'll let you know what's up.
He's the detective and he's the sergeant, so he'll be able to answer any questions you got, okay?
I get my keys out my car.
Your car's fine, man. Ain't no one gonna fuck with your shit.
I'm worried.
Yeah. Just relax. He'll talk to you. I think she playing some game or something on people. And see back here. Your passenger.
We're in the game.
You know him that well?
Yeah, that's my friend.
He wants to talk to her. Is it her, him? What is it? What's she identify as? Her? Okay. Yeah, I'm not trying to be rude or insensitive. I just didn't know which way to go with it. And there's no easy way to talk about it. Just have a seat and he'll come talk to you. He wants to talk to her. Something's going on with her.
Yeah, I got to do all this?
Yeah. Put your feet in. I'll roll the windows down. I'm gonna sit in the car with you and hang out. You want that out of your way?
Yeah.
Just slide that over there, man. Once he talks to her, I'm sure he'll come back, talk to you, and the main issue is her. So you can relax, man. I ain't bullshitting you. The main thing is her. So that's why I think he just. Yeah, no. The main thing is her. So That's why he's talking to her first. Just yeah. So I mean, just relax. I can tell by the look on your face. You're like, what the fuck? You're cool. If there was an issue, my man, you'd be handcuffed and everything else. You know what I mean? So just relax. It's all on her. Yeah, relax. Dear man, you can see all the focus is on her. So just relax, man. You just had the wrong person in your car. You know what I mean? So I appreciate you cooperating. You know, people swoop down on me, I'd be like, what the fuck, too? No, I don't think so. I'll be honest, I don't think anyone's going to jail. Like, well, he's a detective, and I think she's saying something. So I think I don't know. I know, man. If I was in the car and the cop swooped in on me like that, my heart would be beating pretty good too, man.
Thank God I ain't dead. I'm like, what the fuck did I do?
No, I think they'll talk to you. Hey, dear. When all this is over with, my man, I'd be done with. You know what I mean?
Really?
I'm coming into 5 minutes of your life, my man. I don't know what's going on, but it seems like when did you get out? 4 days ago, and look where you're at already. So you know what I mean? How old are you? I'm 30. So I think it's time to make a little bit better decisions. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I think she's trying to get you in trouble.
The detective arrived and formally informed the man.
Man, he trying to say, man, stop messing with them trannies, man. He said, yo, them trannies is gonna get you in trouble, boy. That's what he's saying. That's what he really saying. He said, what is it? A he, him, what, they, what? Oh, boy.
I think she's trying to get you in trouble.
The detective arrived and formally informed the man of his Miranda rights. The man adamantly denied being present at the bus stop and refused any further interrogation. However, the entire encounter was captured on camera, revealing a different truth.
Does he have does he do like some off-the-wall crazy shit? Or is this...
Have you got a lighter?
See that? I don't. There's light in the car right here. What the fuck? I'll let you know. I'm gonna make sure it's okay with my son. He wants to talk to you, but we don't want to talk to you.
What we have on him from this morning, after he left your house, you said between 6 and 6:30. He drove down Arlington to Neville, parked his car on Neville, walked up to the bus stop at the corner of Arlington and Neville. There was a 16-year-old girl that was standing there waiting for the bus to go to school. He kind of stood around, pretending like he was waiting for the bus for a couple minutes, and he grabbed her and tried to drag her back to his car. She grabbed onto the fence there, fought him off. And then when the bus started running, she started screaming, "Here comes the bus." He had her phone, he threw her phone at her, and took off running, got in his car and took off. What? So I don't know if he was going to sexually assault her, if he was going to rape her. I don't know what his intentions were, but that's what he did.
Oh, yeah. This boy got some real life mental issues, man. First, he messing with them Transformers, man. He into them Transformers, and now you in the kids? Oh, yeah. Your brain is fried, boy. That boy brain is cooked. Prison got him all wrapped up crazy. Because what they say, the dude said that, oh, when did you get out? Oh, I got out 4 days ago. So, you know, now, listen, I was a CO. I know. I've seen it. Guys that be going to prison and stuff, you know, listen, I've seen it. They'll be straight on the street, got a wife, kids, and everything. But inside, they messing with them. Yeah. They messing with them guys. You know what I'm saying? It's all men in there. So they messing with, yeah. You know, so you got some men that are gay, and then you got some men that are, you know, like this one here that it clearly is a man, but it act like a girl. You know what I'm saying? So these guys, you know, they be just going crazy. You know what I mean? So it doesn't surprise me a man that just got out of prison to be messing with a Transformer. that really don't surprise me. But you attacking kids too? Come on, bro. We don't even do them type of crimes, bro. Like honestly, like that's a, not to bring race into it. You know what I'm saying? But typically those type of crimes is for a certain demographic. You feel me? It's a certain demographic that do those type of, sexual assault crimes, all that type of stuff. That real. And then, black people do these type of crimes over here. You know what I'm saying? The murder, robber, you know what I'm saying? Robbing, money, drug, yeah, those type of crimes. So it's like, this guy is just, his brain is cooked. His shit is fried, boy.
The whole thing's caught on this. So, you tell me, nature. I mean, is it something that?
Oh, that's not something that I would expect him to do, and that's not something I know him to do. Like we are still getting to know each other, so I mean, people show their true colors when they're ready to show them. Yeah. I'm still filling them out, But
okay, so he didn't say about other than going to Minuteman. Did he say he went to Minuteman, or
he said he was going to go there, and he didn't say he did. He just said he was going to go there. I'm just kind of like in this thing where I'm trying not to have him have control of me. I'm trying not to have control of him, so I pretty much ask too many questions. I just and kind of as long as it's respectful, I don't really think ask any questions. Because we have problems with that in the background.
Right.
He called me to the phone for some of that, and I was a little upset, but okay, past that.
All right. Listen, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just giving you a heads up that the best way to handle things at our age is to be honest. I mean, we're not 15-year-old kids where you try and lie our way out of it. With everything that can be recorded, and in this world, man, there's cameras everywhere. So I ain't trying to bullshit you. I'm just telling you, I'm sure you've been to court and you see how things go in court. If you're honest and cool and tell people you fucked up or whatever, it goes a lot easier. You know what I mean? Especially nowadays with the judges the way they are.
You got your full SIM card?
He does. It's in his wallet.
You don't come.
I put some money in that book. Yeah, I'm gonna just give you some money to take with you. Just call me when you can.
Hey, don't act silly, my man. But how about here? I gotta put you in cuffs because when we go into county, you have to go in cuffs. So when you get out, just face that way. I'm not moving, but just face that way and put your hands on your back. All right.
The man faced charges of abduction and received a 5-year sentence. This verdict was influenced by his breach of probation, which stemmed from earlier convictions related to burglary and weapons offenses. Notably, he had been released just 4 days before the abduction incident.
Man, bruh. 5 years? Boy, you need more than that, boy. You trying to take kids? Oh, nah, boy. And he only got the 5 because of probation. Yo, for some reason, sex crimes, bro, people don't get no time, bro. No time for real. Like 5 years is, it's okay. It's okay. But these guys need to be put under the jail. You hear me? Like what? Under that joint. You feel me, man?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.